Hi guys, checking in. So hi Hub.
I hope.
That's a poorly hi Hub. Hi hubby. What's
What's
that?
up?
Hello people.
I tell them what
Really?
to say.
No.
What's up, people? What's up? That's it.
We have matching shirts. It says strength and honor. Guys, literally bathroom all night. Some of my last water I have to drink 4 days to my procedure. So this is the last one I'm on. Yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all an update. You know, I can't bring the video inside. So when I come out and let y'all know how I feel. Right now I am hungry. I lost 3 pounds. I should have shown you on the scale the before and after. But between for 3 days I lost 3 pounds. So 1 pound in a day, I guess. But when I'm finished, anywhere I can find the kitchen, I'm gonna find
That's
it.
it. I really go through here and look at the place.
Yeah.
Inside the office.
Huh?
That's the office that made the procedure.
It's small.
It's not the hospital. I did mine at the hospital. So I'm gonna
So guys, I'm gonna show you in after when I get back, and I'll check in with you guys. Okay? It is so beautiful outside. Today is the
fall.
first day of fall. I was gonna say spring. First day of fall, and it's so beautiful. Gotta turn off the AC. Outside it's nice today. It's 69 degrees where we at. So it's a beautiful day. So beautiful. Alright guys, back in a moment. So guys, just to give you updates, just got out my little, what was it? My little procedure. And everything went well, but right now I'm so sleepy, I'm so woozy because they give me anesthesia. I was knocked out and I'm sleepy. But they did a good job. I will recommend anybody to that doctor's office for real. Is at where is it? Atlanta um, endocrinologist, and they're very professional. I recommend anybody to it. But it was amazing. They said everything was good, but in 10 days time I'm gonna get my result. Either I have to go on the portal or I have to, they will mail it to me. So either one, if I sign into a portal, which I don't think I did for real. So yeah, that was the update. So now we're gonna get something to eat because in 2.5 days I have to eat more solid food for real, all liquid, liquid, and my BFF. It's always the ride or die, ride or die. How did you feel when it was out in the waiting
Cool.
room?
But they're cool, man.
He said it was mad cold. He had to stand up at the door
That's cool, man.
to get him in some sun. But yeah, but otherwise from that, we good. We good. We good. I was in there praying. I was like, Lord, you just be the fence. You just be the protector. You be the doctor. You be the surgeon. You be the everything that it is. You take the front seat
I don't know this place up
of
here.
whatever is going
They
on
run and feel what they have
that
to.
the procedure that we do today. So which it was good. So God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. Yeah, that part. So I'm going to show you where we're going to go get something to eat. And it's beautiful Friday evening, 4:40 p.m. My appointment was at 2:30 and I'm just getting out. I was sleeping. I didn't feel nothing. When they woke me up, they were like, it's time for you to get up. And I was like, is the procedure finished?
That sleep is the best.
Listen, when I say the sleep is the best, if I could get something like that to sleep at night time and just wake me up in the morning when it's time for me to get up, I would be amazed, for real. I didn't hear anything at all. I didn't hear nothing. I was just sleeping. Best sleep ever. Best sleep ever. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
I don't know what another place is.
So,
I see that place that they have
I'm going to
outside.
take her and we're going to go get something to eat, okay? Alright, guys. See you in a minute, okay? Okay.
She lives over there. So it's up there. I think it's up there. I think it's up there. Oh.
From the side of where I come from, I don't really know. I think it's down right there, so you're right beside it. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna eat. Can't even catch your name good.
Let's go beach. Them have something to park in right. Listen. See the parking right there.
Come on, man, you just all over the place.
Yeah.
You're gonna see.
Do your
When the
stuff.
food is good, the music is good,
Ah, for real.
the vibe is good, the customers are good.
You hear that?
Cool down. boy. What a wonderful